contacting those who are not here. And ornament number 8. Is Kim Smith. You know Kim. Okay, so we're going to write down your name, Kim, and what your ornament number is. Yep. I know she is. She's working. Okay. And ornament number 9.
You can put a little more in here than I'm.
Brenda Booth, ornament number 9. And ornament number 10. Dawn Steen, ornament number 10. I did not look. I'm not the one who drew. Ornament number 11. Madison McGee. Madison McGee, ornament number 11. Number 12. Okay, number 12 winner is Loretta Pope. Loretta Pope. Ornament number 12, Loretta Pope. Ornament number 13. Dorothy Humphreys. Ornament number 13, Dorothy Humphreys.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll hold while you get it.
Here, yeah, because they came out of here, but I don't know who they. Yeah. So we get those coins.
You're good, Todd. I'm staying out of your way. You hear me?
Okay, ornament number 14. Ornament 14 is Etta Boyd. Etta Boyd. Ornament number 15.
Hey, Mark. That's Wallace Sr.
Oh, wow.
E.W.
K.
That's my Uncle Eddie.
Letter K.
That's my Uncle Eddie.
Harrington.
There you go, right there.
That's my Uncle Eddie.
15.
That's my Uncle Eddie.
I can't see what that says.
Kay Alexander, Lulu Stevens.